Dear students, welcome back to our chapter Indian Constitution. In the previous classes, we have discussed the importance of constitution in a democratic country. We also discussed the role of constitution, which plays a crucial role in laying out certain important guidelines that govern decision making within the society. Also, we have seen that the struggle which was faced by people of Nepal in order to attain democracy. Let us discuss the role of constitution, which lays down rules that guard against misuse of authority by our political leaders. We know that we have 6 fundamental rights. Do you know what are those fundamental rights that our constitution guarantees us? They are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights. And we have the right to constitutional remedies also. Let us take the first point, right to equality. Last year we have studied famous writer Om Prakash Valmiki's experience. There we discussed about the discrimination which was faced by Om Prakash because he was a Dalit. But do you know that our Indian constitution guarantees right to equality to all persons and says that no citizen can be discriminated against on grounds of religion, race, caste, gender and place of birth. But still, he faced discrimination in our country. It shows that each of us should change our mentality towards the citizens of our country. We have to change our mental attitude. We have to realize that each and every person got his or her own dignity to live in this country as a citizen of India. See, the right to equality is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed by Indian Constitution. There is one more function that a constitution plays in a democracy. What is that? To ensure that a dominant group does not use its power against less powerful people or groups. I have told one classroom situation where boys and girls wanted to play games, but teacher finally took a decision in favor of boys. Do you remember? Okay, very good. So, here in our society, we can see unhealthy situations where a majority can continuously force minority to follow their decision to go against minority's interest. Okay. But Constitution usually contains rules which ensure that minorities, weak people are not excluded from anything that is routinely available to the majority. It means that all are equal in front of the law. There is no law particular for rich people. There is no law particular for poor people. Okay. Let us discuss inter-community domination and intra-community domination. Inter-community domination means community dominating another community. Means it is the domination between two different communities. Then what is intra-community domination? Intra-community domination means that members of one community dominating others within the same community. Okay. And one more significant reason why we need a constitution is to save us from ourselves. You might be thinking, what is this? How to save us from ourselves? Aren't you? This may sound strange, but which means that we might be at times feel strongly about an issue that might go against our interest. Okay, and constitution helps us guard against this. Let us take one example. There is a classroom situation, or previously we have discussed a classroom situation. Now let us see, there is a girl in our story. Her name is Shabnam. She is in a fix. She has a decision to make. What is the problem? Let us see. She has 2 chapters left to revise for tomorrow's test. And she wanted to watch TV program also. She is eagerly waiting for the program to come. And you can see her parents are sitting in front of the TV. But she didn't finish her revision. Her mother asked, why is she looking much worried? She replied that she wanted to watch TV program, but she has a test tomorrow. She also added that if her parents, if you all watch that TV program, definitely I will also wanted to watch. So I have an idea. What was her idea? What if no one watches TV tonight? Means, including her parents, will not watch TV tonight. Okay, then she will not feel any temptation towards the TV show as no one is watching her favorite show. Then what is happening the next day? Next day, she has one exam, right? She wrote very well because she didn't waste her time in order to watch her favorite TV show. And she found that there were many questions from the last 2 chapters. So you see, this is the power of decision making, right time. You might have studied a story in our English. 3 questions. What is the right time to take decision? Do you remember the question? It is exactly like that. She took a right decision at the right time, which saved her. Similarly, the Constitution helps to protect us against certain decisions that we might take that could have an adverse effect on the larger principles that the country believes in. For example, it is possible that many people who live in a democracy might come to strongly feel that party politics, we have different parties in our country. Okay, party politics has become so acrimonious that we need a strong dictator to set this right. Means we want a strong person to abolish all these type of party politics. We may feel like that. Swept by this emotion, they may not realize that in the long run, dictatorial rule goes against all their interests. Do you heard about Hitler? Adolf Hitler? He was a dictator. Have you heard of Mussolini? He was also a dictator. A good constitution does not allow these whims to change its basic structure. Means no one can change the basic facilities which are provided by the constitution to the common people, to its citizens. It does not allow for the easy overthrow of provisions that guarantee rights of citizens and protect their freedom. This is the most important point. Constitution is to save us from ourselves. So dear students, please go through the paragraphs. We will meet tomorrow. Bye.